despite your travels.
Yeah, I just tried to, because today I was not traveling, so I said I better do it today.
Okay, so wonderful. So
Good
you are
evening,
Yeah.
ma'am.
hi Sonal, thank you so much for joining. All of you look so lovely. I can see you're in the sari, right?
Yes, ma'am. This is Seven Sisters Sari
Yeah,
last
that's
year's.
what I'm saying.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So I try to
Sorry for
find
the.
all seven which look similar.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So it's just a convention. Out of sari is always a joy. So
Yes.
Yeah.
hello, Sister Sonia. How are you?
I'm fine, Harbin ma'am. So happy to meet
So
you in
happy, my
person.
sister. We are sisters.
Yeah,
So you can just call me Sister Harbin.
Sister
I know Sunday is a family day,
hoping to
but you
meet
all
you
took
soon in
time. So
person.
nice. Sorry, Alaknanda, you're saying?
No, I say like everybody had to adjust because of me. I'm so thankful to each one of them.
That's the sisterhood, right?
That's the
That's the
system.
beauty of sisterhood.
Yeah.
Yeah. So where
Hi,
are you?
Alexander.
You're in
Sorry, ma'am.
Singapore, you're in Thailand,
I'm in Hong Kong.
you're in
I
Hong Kong. Oh, lovely.
I'm in Hong
I
Kong.
I think we have a group in Hong Kong as well. If you want to meet anybody, I can always add you to the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, I'll be coming back again in
Okay.
April for
Right.
a
Maybe then
Government of
at that
India
time.
program. Yeah,
Yeah, right
I'll
now
be
it's
in for
holiday
that.
season as well,
So
and
now,
people
so
are.
now, yeah, all the family, the whole family is here.
Yes, yes, absolutely, absolutely, sister.
Yeah.
I think we had gone for somebody's, they were celebrating their 50 years of wedding and all. I think I'd gone to Hong Kong that time. Then
Okay.
I took the opportunity to, invite some people, meet some people. It was
Yeah.
an interesting group. Many people from many different parts of the world in Hong Kong, actually.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi, Sister Indu, welcome.
Hi, hello everyone. Hello Harbin, how are you?
Very well, very well. Thank you so much for taking the time on a Sunday today
No,
and
no, not
joining
at
for the
all.
ceremony.
Entirely, I'm sure all of us, we are pleased to be with you,
So,
definitely.
you know Soul Sister Alaknanda, who's also joining you in this year's Seven Sisters.
Yes,
Have you
yes,
met before?
yes. No, I don't think we've met, no.
We have never met. Yeah. I
Okay,
met,
because
I
both
met,
of you have been very regular at the Women Economic Forum, and
I know.
so good you meet today.
Yeah.
Yes, hello
Finally we
everyone.
meet.
Good evening
So,
to all of
Sister
you.
Alaknanda is actually, she did a Women Economic Forum for the Northeast in Guwahati.
Oh, okay, lovely.
And
Yeah.
Sister Indu was part of the Women Economic Forum that happened in Kolkata as well. And of
Yeah.
course, she has
Yes,
been attending the one that used to happen in Delhi. And
right,
you're
right.
part of the same region, the eastern part.
Absolutely. Oh,
And
Eastern
great.
part. Yeah.
Sister Manjula, yeah, Sister Alaknanda, do you know Sister Manjula?
I know Manjula very well. Yeah.
Yes, because so the Vicky Eastern Region Council as well.
Yeah.
So Alaknanda has been working, I think, closely with Manjula ji earlier.
Yeah.
Okay, lovely.
I met her earlier. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
this
I
is
I
knew her
see.
for a long, long time. Yeah.
Wonderful. So now we'll work together. That
Yeah.
would be
Now
lovely.
finally we'll get to work together.
so I will just
Absolutely.
drop a message in the group that we're all starting because it's about in 1 minute from now.
Yeah, one
So I'll
minute,
just
right.
send a message. Excuse me for a moment.
Hi,
So
Alexander
one,
ji. If you remember me, Sonal.
I know.
Yes.
I I think I met you in one of the webs, right?
No, actually, I coordinated for Vicky Handlooms. That time I was in Chennai. I was Chennai's
Okay.
chair, and that handloom Vicky Handloom Council. I collected all the resumes, CVs, and all the things.
Okay.
So
Okay. Now
that's
I
why we
remember
have
because
spoken
I was there
once
for
or
a very
twice.
short time. Yeah. Then I shifted to Bangladesh and then to Asia.
Welcome, welcome, Sister Manjula.
Hello, hi.
Like we say, long life. We were just mentioning you that Alaknanda
absolutely.
knows you very well.
Yeah,
Sister
thank you so much. Yes, Alakananda knows me very well.
Sister
We've met a
Suchitra,
number of
thank you for
times.
joining.
Hi.
I know you were at a party, but
I'm
no
traveling
worries.
also. I'm out.
It's
So I
not a
could not wear
party.
the sari.
Yeah, it's not a party, it's an event. I've just come out from there.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sister
Thank you.
Meenakshi is
No, no,
here.
no. I knew you'll all be punctual, so I just have to excuse myself for that duration.
Thank you. It is 4 p.m. and I will start with the program because we have a lot to get through and everybody has to go back to their work as well. But we made this moment. So thank you, sisters. This is a journey we started in the year 2023 with the idea that what happens to the light of sisterhood when we pass on to the light, right? What sustains this sisterhood is we are leaving behind traces of the sisterhood that we are inheritors of, sisterhood that we have woven together ourselves, and sister seeds of sisterhood that we will plant for the future through the work of Seven Sisters. Seven Sisters is the spirit and the soul of everything that we do. It is all pervasive. It is part and parcel of every platform that we have started, starting from All Ladies League to Women Economic Forum to Wiki to G100 to She Economy, and some new endeavors that will be forthcoming that are really inspired by all this bouquet of creativity, but again, the seed, the soul, and the sustenance. All we are all sustained by this sap of sisterhood. And when this sap rises within us, we feel that experience of Shakti, that feeling I can do it all, that feeling that we are unstoppable, that feeling that no mountain is too high and there's nothing that we cannot achieve when we put our hearts and minds together. I still remember the early days of sisterhood, starting from so sometimes we would have like doubts, how do I do? And I think within a few months we got the hang of it. We knew that when we were together, the answer was yes, and we'll figure out a way because there's always a way. We're all of us together. And again, as I said, we put our hearts and minds together. We will find the way that we are looking for because individually and collectively, we feel so much more energized when we are bound together by the sacred spirit of sisterhood. And I have come to offer this humble and strong bond of sisterhood. It's, I consider this like a flower. A flower is so gentle, but put it in any room, and the way it changes the energy of the room is incredibly strong, is incredibly powerful. So, sisterhood is this gentle power, this gentle Shakti that can do anything, that can accomplish anything. It's the Ram Ban or the Sita Ban, or, the power of this manifestation, that whatever creative manifestation, whatever our hearts desire. So, if our hearts desire a better world for ourselves, where we have more respect, more dignity, more value, more visibility for the work and contributions of women, then yes, we can. With this power of sisterhood, we can bring light to that. If our heart wants that, we want to ensure that no child goes to bed hungry, we can do that because when our intention, when that selfless desire of making the world a better place comes through your heart, it is that divine Shakti expressing itself through you because you have opened your heart to the Shakti. And that's what sisterhood has done for me. It's done for all of us. It has transformed our lives. There's a saying which says cleanliness is next to godliness. I think the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, the line is attributed to him. And inspired by that, I can easily say that sisterhood, the experience of sisterhood, is next to godliness. If there is anything divine that we can experience in our life on our planet Earth, in our material existence today, and that feeling of when we talk in spirituality about experiencing oneness, seeing everybody with the same vision, with equality, with a sense of I am in her and she is in me. I think sisterhood gives us that vision. It gives us that power to see each other as sisters, brothers, as the cosmic cousins that we are. I know I have 10 minutes, but I'm going to give up my 5 minutes for experiencing and receiving more of the sisterhood by just starting this ceremony and enabling all that sisterhood spirit to arise from each one of you and light up our screens and light up our lives today on this beautiful day as we prepare the next cohort of Seven Sisters 2026. Sonal, I know you are helping and volunteering and supporting with the hosting of the ceremony today. Over to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and warm welcome to all the sisters, and special warmth and love to and wishes to our 2026 sisters. Now I read out officially the names of 2026 sisters. Soul Sister Parmeet Devkan, Soul Sister Indu Gandhi ji, Soul Sister Alaknanda ji, Soul Sister Preeti Sundar ji, Soul Sister Sonia Rajesh ji, Soul Sister Dr. Anita Rehman ji, Soul Sister Rupali Sai Khedkar ji. I welcome you warmly and pass on this baton of sisterhood to all of you with all the love, support from all the seven sisters of all the years. So, dear sisters, I request you all to take a deep breath. Just inhale and exhale twice. Yes, 1, 2, 3, start. Inhale, close your eyes and inhale all the positive energy. Yes, slowly now exhale all the negativity from your lungs, heart, body, mind. Now slowly inhale all the divinity of pure love of sisterhood, this global sisterhood, support, service, solidarity. Please inhale. Exhale all the negativity from all the organs of your body. Now, please, in all consciousness, open your eyes. Now, I request you all to place your right hand on your heart. We are ready for oath, taking pledge and oath. Please put your right hand on your heart. I request all the 2026 seven sisters. Now, I am starting. I. Please take your names. I, Sonal.
I, Preeti Sundar.
I,
Sonia Rajesh.
I, Indu Gandhi.
I, Alaknanda Das.
Do solemnly affirm to uphold the seven sacred values of seven sisters.
Do solemnly affirm to uphold the seven sacred values.
The seven sacred values of seven sisters.
Seven sacred values of seven sisters.
Sisterhood. Shakti Bandhan. Solidarity. Strength.
Support.
Society. And service. Together. We pledge to embody and energize these values individually and collectively. As we pave the path of possibilities for all. Dear sisters, now I'm passing on all the love and support to each one of you. All my best wishes for all the wonderful initiatives you are going to take. Now, my humble request to all of you all, especially Seven Sisters 206, please just share the reflections of all your journey till Seven Sisters. So I request Alaknanda ji, please proceed, and I warmly welcome you as Seven Sister now. So please proceed, and over to you for your reflection, your journey. We all are going to inspire through your journey. I know that. So please proceed. Over to you, Alaknanda ji.
Thank you, Sonal. And I would like to thank Meenakshi and Dr. Harveen for trusting in me and making me selecting me for this year's the Seven Sisters. And as regard to my journey with All Ladies League, it started in 2015, and I had been leading the Northeastern first the All Ladies League, and then I went off to Wiki, India, ASEAN, and before that I was with the Handloom for a very short period of time, and then I was looking into India, Bangladesh, and then I had conducted two Women Economic Forum in Northeast. The first one was in 2018, and then I did another one in 2022, which was for India, Bangladesh. And then it has become like one of my flagship programs as Looms. We have been carrying it forward, and we will be doing the fourth Looms this year in Delhi. So I would like everyone to be part of that, because we are now, this year's Loom, the entire team is based on preservation of our cultural heritage. So the threads of heritage is what we are looking into this year. So we have been doing this as an international conference. Last year also we had it. So this time I want all the Seven Sisters to be in it together so that we can take the baton forward. So as regards to my journey with Wiki, it has been a tremendous one. I've met tremendous amount of friends, and with everybody's support, the entire sisterhood, the community of sisterhood is something that we look forward to. Wherever I go, whether it was the Malaysian Women Economic Forum or at Delhi, that strength of womanhood, that is what inspires us to move forward. So that is what I look forward from this year's entire community that we are working for. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Alaknanda ji. This is so inspirational. And now I request Indu Gandhi ji, please share your journey till Seven Sisters 2026. Please, ma'am, please
Thank you
proceed.
so much, Dr. Harbeen, for this opportunity. Really honored to be amongst all of you today. And yes, my journey began in 2016 with All Ladies League. Prior to that, I've been an educationist, the principals of schools for 30 years. And we moved to Kolkata, and that's when I joined All. And thereafter, Wiki, where Manjula ji and myself, we set up the Eastern region sectors in the Eastern region. Today, we have about 30 sectors. And it's been a wonderful journey. In fact, I'm so grateful, to be with this beautiful sisterhood organization, because it's given me something to do since, I was not going to move ahead with my career. And it's been really lovely. So ever since that and till today, we have done a lot of programs, events in Kolkata. And I did attend the Women's Economic Forum in 2016 and 18, and really look forward to the one in Delhi, the upcoming one. Other than that, we have been successful in spreading a lot of positivity, and we only talk positive and no negative amongst our meetings. We've had our Shakti Bandhan programs. Last year, we had a program where we were really honored to have Harbeen and Vinayji with us for the program. This year, we had the 9 Roop of Durga Ma performed by 82 of our soul sisters. And it was a wonderful program. And next year, of course, we'll focus on something better, maybe. This was the best, of course, so far. So we'll do that. But our main aim, my aim is to basically give our women the platform to promote themselves. Maybe, have smaller groups of, say, 3 or 4 soul sisters highlighting the work, the wonderful work that they are doing, basically so that everyone gets to know about them. That's what I'm looking forward to this year, so that everyone gets to know each other. So thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity, and I really look forward to working ahead with the Seven Sisters and the prior Seven Sisters under the leadership of Dr. Harbeen Arora Rai. Thank you so, so much.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, Induji. And we all have been seeing in post or everywhere in social media, this West Bengal chapter is really, really amazing and inspiring for all of us. So thanks a lot. Thank you so much. We are looking forward for this tenure of yours. Thank you so much.
Yes, and I would love it if y'all also come to Kolkata and be a part of the programs. At least let me pre-invite you for the next Shakti Bandhan in 2026. We would be so, so honored to have all of you with us. That would be really wonderful.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Now I request Soul Sister Sonia Rajesh ji, please share your journey and please share something about your chapter and yourself also. Please, over to you, Sonia ji.
Good evening, beautiful souls. First of all, let me thank Harbeen Arora Soul Sister and dear Soul Sister Abhirami Vivek for giving me the opportunity first in all Ladies League Chhattisgarh chapter, and then again inviting me to be a part of the beautiful community. When I took up the All Ladies Chhattisgarh chapter in 2023, it was indeed a challenge for me because Chhattisgarh was actually a remote area where I was there. It was a remote area, and getting the group was a bit challenging. But with the help of Abhirami, I could surely connect with many soul sisters there, and with their help, we could conduct some programs like opening a senior citizens club in the township where we were having, and even doing the plantation, donating plants to the village schools, the government schools, some of the schools near Raipur, and also doing some other things like financial literacy programs, plantation of more trees, and donating blankets and sweets to the rural people. So in 2026, I'm really looking forward for all your support to ensure that I feel that most of the women in the rural areas and in the semi-urban areas are facing a lot of issues regarding finance. Many of them do not know how to invest. So in 2026, I would really like to have all your support and guidance to ensure that the most of the women in our country becomes more financially literate and also get healed from several of the traumas they are undergoing in their daily lives, especially on the personal side as well as the professional side. Once again, thanking everyone for giving me this beautiful opportunity.
Warm welcome, dear Sonia ji, and all our support and wishes to you for your this tenure and always. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing your journey. Now I request Soul Sister Preeti Sundar ji, please share your journey and reflections about till Seven Sisters. Please, Preeti ji, go ahead.
Yes. Very good evening to all of you. A big thank you to Suchitra, Sister Suchitra and Sister Harbeen Kaur, because they have helped me, I think, be in this organization for a long time. I'm here since 2018, actually. So I was part of ALL, and then after that, I went into Wiki. And now Seven Sisters is giving me an opportunity to be in a role where I hope I can fulfill the desires that all of us are envisaging, actually. So I definitely want to do something in the Bangalore chapter. I would, to Suchitra's help, just help me as to how I can go about doing things, because this is a new chapter in my life. So I do a lot of work by myself. I do a lot of social work. I had a recruitment firm. I help. I'm also working for NGOs. So these are my work aspects. So I can definitely contribute in this field and make women more empowered. I would also want to tell you all that I'm a single parent and I had the single parent in South Bangalore, in Bangalore. So I would want to also bring in that community in such a way that I can empower them in whatever way they need to be empowered. So I'm looking forward to a lot of things in Bangalore. So I need all of your supports.
Okay,
Thank you.
and then
Thank you so much, dear soul sister Preeti Sundarji. Thanks a lot. And this is lovely, and we all offer all our supports and wishes with you. So all the love and wishes for the next upcoming tenure to you always. And I request, sister, somebody's phone or some background TV or some noise is there. So please, if you're not speaking, please mute yourself so everybody will hear clear about the reflections. And this is humble request. Thank you so much. Now I request Soul Sister Parmeet Devgan ji to please share your journey till Seven Sisters. Please, Parmeet ji, please over to you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sonal. Wish you very good evening to all. And thank you so much, Harbeen ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. And thanks to Sonal for nominating me. And about my journey, I joined the Wiki in 2022 on the occasion of the Women's Day. And then my journey started, and there was no looking back. The opportunity came when I joined the Wiki, the Vice President, CSR Council, Chandigarh. And then I met Harbeen ma'am in WEF New Delhi. And her aura was very energetic, and I got the energy from her. I got so many positivity from her. And then we did so many events in Chandigarh, like the Spotlight. And yeah, Harbeen ma'am also joined. And it was a turning point in my life when ma'am selected my poem for the first prize. And I was shocked and I was very happy, and that I got the opportunity to move forward. And then I joined the Mothers Army as a president of Punjab. But within a short span, I got another opportunity from the Harveen ma'am. She nominated my name as a national president for the Mothers Army. And I did two events in the same year, 2025. In the first event was in the January, and the second was in May. And that was fantastic events. And after that, I also joined Wiki, another platform, national president of the vice president of the Skill Development Council. And that's about my journey, and still going on. As life moves upward like a pyramid, it also reveals the true intentions and real connections. Through this journey, I love to learn a lot, evolved, and grown stronger day by day. And I feel deeply blessed to have Vicky, Mother's Army, and my all soul sisters walking alongside me on this path. And of course, as Harbeen ma'am always said, together we can. Of course, we can do anything when we are together. And on this platform, the Seven Sisters, definitely we will do a lot in a big in this year. Thank you so much.
Thanks, dear soul sister Parmeet ji. Thank you so much. Your journey is really inspiring and amazing, and we all always look forward to you to see big events and some big initiatives. So looking forward for this tenure of yours. Now I request Dr. Anita. Do we have Dr. Anita with us? Dr. Anita Rehman. So now I request Rupali Saikekar. I know she is traveling. She is in somewhere in midway to Aurangabad. So Rupali, over to you. Please share your journey till today. We all are looking forward to hear. Yes, Rupali, please share your journey.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Rupali. I'm from Pune. And first of all, I would like to say thanks to Harbeen ma'am for selecting me as one of the seven sisters. And I would like to thank Sonal who has nominated me. My journey with Vicky and with all had started from 2020 or 18. So before lockdown, we had started a few meetings in Pune, and then further we had done a lot of all meetings in Pune. I was then selected as the Vicky's president for Self Defense Council. And I'm so glad that through it and through my organization, we have been taking self defense training of women. It's a workshop which we have given to 25,000, 30,000 women yet of now. So through this workshop, we are really empowering women that how they can save themselves when any calamities or any situation comes, how they can choke someone or how they can save themselves. So that's one thing. And one is youth empowerment, which is too much on our mind. We have made our own curriculum and a lot of commandos. I am attached with Indian Army. I'm also called as one of the Army ambassador by them. So through me, almost 2,000 people have joined Army in India and all. In youth empowerment, we are empowering them on a lot of skills and making them more strong, fearless, and since if there is a fire, they can handle it. Lot of talent hunt we are doing. Many students we have made making India records for India. Even Asian Championship, maybe we were able to get one of our student to archery, and he won gold for India. So likewise, women empowerment and kids empowerment, youth empowerment is more on my mind. I'll be so glad to take these points ahead with Seven Sisters and spread this youth empowerment and women's empowerment everywhere where we go. So since women's and kids are everywhere, and it's really need of the hour to empower this, as the kids are the future generation. The more we make them strong, the more our generation would be good. So that's all from my side. I run an NGO of my own. And really, thank you. Yeah, one more thing. I was so glad to meet Harbeen ma'am in Pune with Vinay Rai Sarji. And a lot of events with Sonal we have already done in Pune. We had done yoga day. We had done a few self-defense sessions in colleges and in schools recently. So we would be glad to take this more ahead in 2026. Glad to be part of Seven Sisters and would really love to meet all the soul sisters someday. Let's meet in some of the summits or forum for sure.
Thank you. Thank you, Rupali.
Thank
Thanks
you
a
so
lot.
much. Thank you.
Thank you. This is so inspirational and precious and much needed initiative, self-defense. So thank you for all your services and support always. Now, I request Sister Veronique to share her reflections and stories. As we missed her in year-end meeting, there was some emergency with you, Sister Veronique. So please, I request you to share some reflections and your journey. Yes, Sister Veronique, over to you.
Thank you so much. Firstly, congratulations to the new Soul Sisters. It is always wonderful. For me, being a soul sister, there's just two words. It's you soften me and you strengthen me. And that is something which is very, very important. I'm based in South Africa. And my work is basically with the Ministry of Education. And one of the things that has always stuck in my head since meeting Dr. Harbeen way back in New Delhi at one of the conferences, when I said to her, the one thing that I think is very important is to look after our mental and emotional well-being. And she said to me, you know, you've got this wonderful forum in South Africa, so go and use that forum. And so what I basically do in South Africa is that I work with many thousands and thousands of women. And the focus of the work that I do is to develop their mental and their emotional well-being, because many of us are wonderful professionals. We help many people, but who's helping us? And as soul sisters, I believe that that is fundamental, that we are there for one another to look after our mental and emotional well-being, so that if you strengthen your mental and your emotional well-being, you then have the strength and the energy to continue doing the work that you do. So I'm very privileged to have been part of this wonderful organization, and I am proud to represent the organization across South Africa. I also do some work with the United Nations, and I also do a lot of work with the Ubuntu academies. And what I've done there is also to share the work of the wonderful work that all of you are doing. I share the videos that Dr. Harbeen has recently put up on YouTube. And so my responsibility mainly is to share the love of the work that we are doing. And again, congratulations to the new sisters. And if anybody is interested in the well-being work that I do, I'm very happy to share it with you. So wonderful and very proud to be part of this wonderful, wonderful sisterhood. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sister Valerie. Thanks a lot. So lovely to hear from you. Thank you. Now I request Suchitra ji, please share something. If you are in a comfortable place, please share something. We would love to hear from you. Yeah. I guess we have lost Suchitra ji.
She logged out by mistake.
Yes. Sister Abhirami, if you want to share something, please go ahead, please.
Thank you so much, Sonal. Thank you, Sister Harbeen. It's always been wonderful as always. And it's so inspiring to know each and every one of you, whoever is doing wonderful work, right from self-defense to mental well-being to empowerment. There are so many things. And unconsciously or consciously, there is a hidden benefit where we have built even families, soul sisterhood along with families. That is something wonderful. And I thank Dr. Harbeen for creating this wonderful platform for all of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, dear Sister Abhirami. Thank you so much. Now I request Dr. Malvika, please share about yourself, or if you want to share something about Dr. Anita also, please go ahead.
Hi, everybody. Good evening, ma'am, Harbeen ma'am, and all my dear soul sisters, a very good evening. It was wonderful coordinating with Sonal last year, and I think we got a few things done at our end, at least the back-end planning. We got it done, and we also took up some initiative from the Chennai chapter, about which I had briefed in the last meeting. So all my soul sisters for the following year, 2026, I happily pass on the baton to them, and we are all behind you to give you all our complete support, all that you need from our end, and you always have our love and encouragement, and of course, Harbeen's blessing all the time. So wishing you all the very best, all the new soul sisters who have joined in this year, and heartiest congratulations and best wishes to all of you. We are there with you. Count us in, please. And Dr. Anita Rehman, I just could manage to get in touch with her. She's unwell, but she'll be joining us for a short while now. Thank you. Thank you, Sonal.
Thank you, Sister Malvika, and all our wishes for her speedy recovery for Dr. Anita. Please convey. So in next meeting, we will look forward to hear about her and her journey. Now
I think she will be joining in because she told me
she has just joined. Dr. Anita, Anita has just joined.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, Dr. Suchitra, go ahead.
Sorry.
Please.
Oh, yes. Yeah. Sorry. I don't know, something happened to the net suddenly. So I just want to tell everybody, firstly, huge congratulations for being soul sisters. You have now a new circle, a new power circle, Soul Sisters 2026. And well, listening to you, Dr. Harbeen, your loving and caring and passionate words, I always feel so many things. I feel so many things, but what I feel most is an immense sense of gratitude. Being one of the 7 sisters for 2025, it's been more than a title. It's been a journey of the heart, as you say. And I want to thank you again for this beautiful concept. You've just not created an initiative. It's a bridge where women from everywhere can walk across together. And thank you so much for the Shakti Bandhans. I carry them everywhere. They've become a permanent resident in my handbag. You know, I love taking them out at the most unexpected times in coffee shops or meetings or quiet moments, and tie them on a new friend and strengthen our bond. You know, it's just such a simple yet a powerful reminder that we are all connected by this invisible thread of sisterhood. And I just want to tell you, this year our circle grew beautifully. You know, I've been now, I think, almost 9-10 years. I've attended about 6-7 WEFs. And I'm in every time in all the different chapters of All Ladies League in Bangalore, all the different forums that we have. We've welcomed about 250 ladies in 2025. And what we try is to build like a safety net, you know, so whether it's a professional advice or an emotional support or whatever the sister wants for herself, we try to reach out. We show there's a helping, I mean, we try to make sure that there's a helping hand that, you know, that's waiting for her. And as I pass this baton, I just want to say that it's Preeti Sundar is so dynamic. I love her work, and Preeti, you're inheriting a very powerful community. So carry the Shakti Bandhans with pride. Keep your heart open, and continue to champion she economy. You know, the baton is yours, but I'll always be by your side. So know that, and thank you.
Need that
thank
support.
you. Love to all of you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Soul Sister Suchitra ji. We all resonate with you. Whatever you said, it's like it goes like we all can feel you, and we all resonate completely with you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now, I request Dr. Anita Rahman. Warm welcome, dear Soul Sister Anita ji. Please share about your journey till Seven Sisters, and
Hi.
whatever you want to share, please go ahead. Please, Dr. Anita ji. Yes.
Hi, everyone. My name is Anita. I'm down with the cold and fever. I'm not. I'm so sorry. I'm late today. I'm born and brought up in Pondicherry. I'm a French national, but Tamil. Okay, and I've done my doctorate in French. I am married to an architect, Riemann. I have 2 daughters who are both married, and I have 2 grandsons. That's it. I'm a dancer. I was a professor in the university. Now, being a grandmother, I think for the moment I'm only doing some translation or some correction online, and I take some classes, some if at all needed. Otherwise, I'm a Zumba dancer. I am good cook. And I am also taking care of all my Airbnb apartments and house. And that's it. And I'm very, very happy to be one of you. I'm very, very happy to be here. Thank you, Malavika, for introducing me to such a precious and sacred group. This is the first time I'm hearing about it. I don't know much about you people, but
I will
I
add
know.
one thing about Anita once you finish.
Yes, Malavika, please go ahead.
Anita, you have missed a very important thing. I want to just tell you that I met Anita first time in our Shakti Bandhan meeting. And ever since, I must say, Anita has played a very, what shall I say, energetic, and, she's willingly given herself to Shakti Bandhan and the inner circle. All the developments and initiatives that we have taken up in inner circle and in Shakti Bandhan. And she has also taken up the initiative to host the entire circle of All Lady of the inner circle in her Pondicherry retreat, brought us all together and made us a very close-knit family. So you forget the important role in Shakti Bandhan and inner circle. So I think I'll just add that for you.
Thank you
of
so
course,
much.
all this is possible because of the wonderful platform which our dear sister and founder, Dr. Harbeen, has given us, without whom we would not have been here together, all of us, for that matter. So thank you so much, Harbeen, ma'am.
Thank you, Malvika. This is called sisterhood that you have add on all the notes. So thank you so much. Now I request Soul Sister Meenakshi. Please, Meenakshi, go ahead. We all want to hear you. Please.
Good evening, dear sisters. My festive greetings to all of you from Singapore. And actually, I had some guests coming over from India and we were out, though we wanted to rush home. But I'm so sorry, my apologies. I could not be home on time. But let me, just give you a bit of, the share of this beautiful place, which is, we are celebrating some festival season in Singapore right now. Thank you, Dr. Harbeen, for this beautiful platform and for being able to connect with sisters from across the globe, from India, from any part of the world. Today, we have sisters everywhere. So we feel like one world, one family, one globe. Everything is one for all of us. So thank you so much, Dr. Harbeen, for this wonderful sister platform of sisterhood, for to be able to help each other, to be able to stand for each other whenever we need each other. So thank you so much. I won't take much of your time because since I'm out and there's a lot of noise around me, my journey with Dr. Harbeen and with all my lovely sisters has been immensely a learning experience and also a sharing with all of you. As Dr. Sumitra said that we always have a sense of gratitude for being able, to be able to contribute to this global ecosystem of sisterhood. So thank you so much, Dr. Harbeen. Thank you so much to all of you, dear sisters. And we organized this year the Women Economic Forum, the Pre-Women Economic Forum in Singapore, which was attended by around 11 high commissioners, professors from NCR, SMU, and all the women networks that are present in Singapore. All of the sisters were there. So of course, Shakti Bandhan flows from us to them. So each of us contribute our bit and make this world a beautiful place for each other. And this year, in the month of January, on the 30th of Jan, we are launching, by the grace of God and by the support of Dr. Harbeen, launching the Singapore-India Bilateral Business Council for Wiki. We already have the Vice President nominated for it, and which will be attended and supported by the High Commission of India in Singapore. So that's a great achievement for all of us. The Deputy High Commissioner is going to be the keynote speaker for the launch of the Singapore-India Business Council for Wiki. And I would be very happy if any of you are traveling to Singapore during that time, January 30th, please be and join this beautiful program in Singapore. And so I think that's about it from my side. Thank you so much, dear sisters, for taking out the time and being here today with all of us. Dr. Harbeen, thank you so much for the beautiful sari that you gifted me last year. I'm going to wear it and share a picture in next 2 days on this forum. So thank you so much for everything that you do for all of us every day and every minute. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All our love to you, Meenakshi, and enjoy yourself. Thank you so much for sharing all inspiring words. Thank you. Now we have 10 minutes or 12 minutes in our hand. I request Sister Karen Dewis, please share your journey and reflection. And the Sister Karen, Soul Sister Brinda, please go ahead. Sister Karen, yes, please.
I know Sister Karen is in Paris with her family for a holiday. I'm not sure if she's able to speak, but we wait for her. But Brinda is here, so Brinda, go ahead.
I can speak.
Sorry.
I'm in Paris. Thank you so much for introducing Dr. Harbeen. So yes, I'm in Paris at the moment, celebrating Christmas and New Year with my family. I want to say many congratulations to the new sisters. So happy that you join our family. Looking forward to collaborate with you on any moment that is needed for you. Well, I'm Karen. I'm from the Netherlands, but I also feel I'm partly Indian because the last 20 years we developed an NGO in India focusing on education for vulnerable children, girls, and their families. And I met Soul Sister Harbeen, I feel I know her my whole life, but I think I met her like 10 years ago, and she feels like a family for me. And she inspires me a lot by doing my daily work. I work for the government and doing my voluntary work for the NGO. And of course, the G100 I have along with Sister Veronique of South Africa and other sisters. And I think, Sister Veronique, this year we will give it a fresh new start because many new sisters joined us. So looking forward to develop it even more than we did in the past. And I also look forward to organize a new WEF or G100 event in the Netherlands or in Europe with our sisters in Europe as well. So Happy New Year for all of you, and warm greetings from Paris.
Thank you, Sister Karen, and enjoy your holidays. All our wishes for this festive seasons to you and your family. Thank you so much for joining in. Now I request Soul Sister Brinda, please share about yourself or whatever you want to share. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yes,
Thank you
Brinda,
so much,
please.
Sonal. Thank you. And congratulations to all the sisters who are there for 2026. I think listening to all of the people, the only word which comes to me is also a gratitude to Harbeen ma'am and Abhirami ma'am for, I'm working from last 3 years, started with Vicky as a state president, then all Maharashtra chair and working in Maharashtra, Nasik, and now working for Pune, Mumbai, everywhere. So, but listening to all you people now, I feel I have a lot more to do in next coming year. So, looking forward for all the love and help from actually Abhirami ma'am and everybody, so that I get new inspirations, I get new motivation to work ahead, new projects. We have been doing lot of things. We have been doing Shakti Bandhans, we have been doing meetings and lot of events going on. But yes, 2026 we want to do it more, and actually with so many soul sisters around, so many people around inspiring, and seeing you people doing so much of work and so much of things, I always feel special, and I always feel as a family that we are working together, and hope this kind of an love and gratitude and sisterhood continues with each other, so that we are there for each other for all the things. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Brinda. I'm sure we all will do together to raise or to spread awareness about all the initiative by Dr. Harbeen, whether it's Vicky, She Economy, or G100, All Ladies League, Mothers Army, and all the initiatives, for women empowerment. We all work together for that. Now, nobody is better here to conclude this meeting with like our Chief Soul Sister, Dr. Harbeen. I humbly request you, ma'am, please conclude this meeting with your wise words and wisdom in divinity. Please go ahead, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sonal. I don't know if there's an award for hosting with perfection of time and this sumptuousness of love. It goes to you, Sonal. What a fabulous, fabulous hosting that you did. I've been looking at the time. I've been looking at the time, and you're like on dot, covering everything without compromising on anything, and flowing. My gosh, that's the power of each sister here. I would like to formally thank the cohort of 7 Sisters 2025, dear soul sister Dr. Malabika, my soul sister Brinda, Sonal, of course, you, Dr. Meenakshi, who joined us from Singapore, Veronique, who joined us from South Africa, Sister Garima, who's not here today, I think. I hope all is well with her. Please convey my regards, whoever can. And Dr. Suchitra, who joined us. She got out from a party she was attending, and she was here today. And I formally welcome the 7 Sisters 2026. As the sisters from 2025 at the end of this year pass on the baton. But like our sister said, we're not going away anywhere. We're right behind you, right beside you, right with you, walking this journey together. So while we are 7 for this year, we are 28 for the past, this is the 4th year. And so I welcome Parmeet Devgan, Indu Gandhi, Alaknanda Das, Preeti Sundar, Sonia Rajesh, Dr. Anita Riemann, and Rupali Saikhedkar. It's absolutely fabulous, sisters, what you do, what you bring, the way you have been contributing. And now that you are lighthouses, you know, we have expanded so beautifully, gloriously by the grace of God everywhere. It's like we started planting tender saplings on the fertile ground of sisterhood, and it showered and rained blessings. And in no time, we have a full orchard of millions and thousands of fruit bearing trees and flowers all over the world. But this moment is for that moment when each new tree is an each new beginning, like each new life coming into life. This is the moment we celebrate again, no matter how many orchards we have, no matter how many trees we have, no matter how much abundance we have. This is the innocence, this is the start, this is the initiation, this is the moment of starting, coming back to the roots of sisterhood again, nourishing that, taking care of that. And I would just like to finish on a somber note that, you know, sisterhood is that light which shows you the way when you don't know your way around. So many sisters look to sisters to find their way. Like we look up to each other to know where to go, what to do next. Even if we don't ask or articulate, we hear, we listen, we see the embodiment, we see the energy, we receive the answers, we receive the light. So sisterhood is literally like you go on a dark road, and these are these lampposts on the side showering their light, and you can find your way within. My grandfather, Nanaji, who passed away a few years ago, he used to sing, you know, I'm born into the Sikh faith. So he used to sing in the Gurudwara, you know, as an offering of his seva and service. And even at the age of 88, you know, he would take his harmonium and do his riyaz. And we were younger then. We would not understand why at the age of 88, even though doesn't have to go to the Gurudwara to sing, why does he do his riyaz or his daily practice every day on the harmonium? And I asked him one day that why do you still do at this age your daily riyaz of music? And he said, when I leave this body, this music will guide my way ahead. And it was didn't understand it then, but I think sisterhood is that music. It's the flute of Krishna, it's the dance of Shiva, it's that vibration that we are drawn to, that calls us, that this maybe by the show of Shakti Bandhan, maybe by this spirit of something, like somebody said, aura. Your aura spoke to me, your energy spoke to me. Sisterhood speaks to us, and we can hear it if we are attuned to it. And Seven Sisters is offering the opportunity of practice of sisterhood every day to everyone through your beautiful, beautiful example. So thank you, dear sisters. Thank you, my beautiful goddesses. Thank you, the source of joy in this beautiful, grand, divine scheme, bringing the force of the feminine, the power of the Shakti, visible, vocal, and present in all its gentle power to nourish, to nurture, and bring life to anything, anywhere, all the time. May God bless you all. May the force be with you, and I am with you at every step of the journey, just as I count on each one of you and am empowered and I am strengthened by your presence, by your showing up, by your volunteering, by your selflessness to be present with each other, to be in service to each other. So gratitude, my sisters, for this moment and for this opportunity to be part of history, to be part of the eternal balancing of the Shiva and Shakti, of the masculine and feminine. And we play our humble part in this time and space herein. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you
ma'am.
so
Thank you
much.
for being you. Thank you for being you, dear soul sister. All of you, all my love to you and all my wishes to you. Thank you for joining in. Thanks a lot, and all virtual hug to you all. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And
Thank
thank you to Ritu for hosting.
Yes, thank you.
Like they say, they also serve who stand and
Yes.
wait. She's right
Yes.
here. She's waiting
Thank
for
you
all
so
of
much,
us
ma'am.
to. Thank you, Ritu. Thank you, Ritu,
Thank
for
you so
everything.
much,
Thank you,
Ritu.
everyone.
Thank you
Thank
so
you for the
much.
Together
sari.
we
It's really
can.
lovely. Thank you so much for the sari.
Thank you so
Beautiful.
much, sisters.
I'm
I'm
wearing
wearing
it.
one. I'm wearing
I'm
one
also
as well.
wearing it.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
thank you.
Some of
I
us
can
are
see.
wearing it
Also
today.
wear the
Yes, yes,
same.
yes. I see Sister
Wow.
Parmeet also. Indu, Preeti, so nice. Whoever can, so nice. And like, hopefully, we'll all gather one day as the seven sisters. I'm waiting for the 7 rounds of seven sisters when we will be. So we will all gather and come together. In this beautiful sacred sisterhood that we are making visible and we are making real every day, one Shakti Bandhan at a time, one whatever action of service and strength
Wave
and
at a
support
time.
at a
One wave
time.
at a
God
time.
bless you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
Thank you
much.
so
all.
much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a
Thank you.
beautiful
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Sunday. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye, ma'am.
Thank you,
Happy
sis.
Sunday.
Thank